In this video, we're checking out the best beginner bandsaws you can get, focusing on smaller, easy-to-use models that fit perfectly in a home workshop. Now, there are lots of different saws out there, like table saws that are great for straight cuts, or scroll saws which are better for tiny, detailed jobs. But bandsaws are pretty unique because they let you cut straight lines, curves, and even angles, all with the same tool. Since everyone's woodworking needs are different, whether you're making furniture, small crafts, or just fixing things. Around the house, we picked a range of bandsaws that work well for different spaces, budgets, and skill levels. So let's dive in and find the one that's right for you. At number 5, the Grizzly Industrial 14-inch bandsaw is a solid choice if you're ready to get serious about woodworking. This isn't a small hobbyist tool. It's designed for people who want to cut thicker, tougher wood or work on bigger projects like furniture, cabinetry, or large-scale DIY builds. The 1-horsepower motor gives it strong cutting power so you won't struggle with hardwoods or dense materials. Its 6-inch maximum cutting height and 13.5-inch throat allow you to work with larger boards without constantly repositioning your wood, which saves time and effort. It's built tough with ball-bearing blade guides that keep the blade steady and your cuts smooth, even on curves or detailed shapes. The saw comes with useful accessories like an aluminum fence and miter gauge, which help you make straight and angled cuts more easily. If you have a dedicated workshop space and want a reliable bandsaw that won't outgrow your needs as you improve, this is a great investment. Just keep in mind it's heavier and takes up more room, so it's not ideal for small spaces or casual use. Number 4 is the RIKON 10305 bandsaw, a 10-inch model that's perfect if you want a sturdy, dependable saw but don't need the extra power or size of the Grizzly. It has a steel frame and cast iron table, making it much more durable than many beginner saws with plastic parts. This makes it well suited for those who want to do small to medium woodworking projects, things like cutting shelf parts, making picture frames, or even turning wood bowls and pens if you're into woodcraft. 1x3 horsepower motor won't handle very thick or dense hardwoods with the same ease as bigger saws, but it's strong enough for most hobbyist tasks. The included rip fence is a bonus for making straight cuts, and the adjustable blade guides mean you can get better precision with your work. If you want something that feels solid and won't wobble or wear out quickly, the RIKON is a reliable choice that balances quality and beginner-friendliness. At number 3, the Woodskill 9-inch Benchtop Bandsaw is a practical pick for hobbyists who want good value and versatility without needing a huge or expensive machine. It comes with a 3-amp motor that runs the blade at 2,500 feet per minute, giving you enough speed and power to cut wood cleanly and even some soft metals if you want to experiment with that. This saw cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide, which is enough for smaller home projects like toys, boxes, or decorative trim. Its cast aluminum table tilts up to 45 degrees, so you can make angled cuts without a hassle. It also includes a rip fence and a miter gauge, making it easier to cut straight lines or precise angles. The steel base helps keep everything stable, so you don't get shaky or rough cuts. If you have a smaller workspace or want a bandsaw that's easy to move around but still capable, this is a great affordable option. Number 2 goes to the Skil 2.8 amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop bandsaw, which is great for beginners who want a bit more control and flexibility as they learn. Its 2.8 amp induction motor offers enough power to cut through a wide range of woods, from soft pine to hardwoods like oak or maple, making it a versatile choice for different types of projects. What makes this saw stand out is the two-speed drive system, allowing you to switch speeds without any tools. This is handy if you want to work with different wood types or get smoother cuts depending on the material. The blade tension is easy to set quickly and accurately, so you spend less time fiddling and more time cutting. Precision ball-bearing blade guides keep the blade tracking straight, which helps with clean, accurate cuts, especially on curves. The table can tilt using a rack and pinion system, which makes angle adjustments smoother and more precise than usual. There's also a dust port that connects to a vacuum, helping keep your workspace clean and your cuts visible. A miter gauge is included to guide crosscuts safely. If you want a beginner saw that feels a bit more professional and helps you grow your skills, the Skil is an excellent middle ground. Finally, at number 1 is the WEN 9-inch Bandsaw, BA3959. This is the best-selling bandsaw for beginners because it offers a balance of power, features, and affordability that suits most home woodworkers. The 2.8-amp motor spins the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, letting you cut wood up to 3.5 inches thick and 9 inches wide, covering most small to medium projects like shelves, boxes, or picture frames. The work table is spacious and can tilt up to 45 degrees, so you can easily make bevel cuts. It comes with a 1/4-4-inch blade installed, but supports blades from 1/8 to 3/8 inches wide, giving you flexibility depending on the detail or type of cut you want. It includes practical extras, like a rip fence for straight cuts, a miter gauge for angled cross cuts, and an adjustable blade guard with ball-bearing supports to keep the blade steady and protect your fingers. Plus, the 2.5-inch dust port helps keep your workspace clean, which is especially nice if you don't want sawdust everywhere. The WEN also comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you confidence it's built to last. If you want a dependable, easy-to-use bandsaw that fits most beginner needs and budgets, this is the top choice for general woodworking projects. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this helped you get a clearer idea of which bandsaw fits your needs, whether you want something small and simple or a bit more powerful for bigger projects. Remember, the best saw is the one that works well for your space, budget, and the kind of work you want to do. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful gear guides. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.